Toyota Tacoma, 4-cylinder, 5-speed. What we got done on it for you guys. Factory converter there. And it goes regular 2 1/4 pipe there. And we put on it a BORLA ATAK muffler, 2-inch tailpipe, and then a 3-inch tip, double wall stainless steel. Because the old muffler was like done. I said, I'm done. I'm not gonna be on any more cars anymore. So that's what happens. And we're like, okay, we'll put something in its place. There it is, right there. BORLA ATAK, 2-inch tailpipe, 3-inch tip, double wall. And like always, guys, please like, comment, and subscribe for more beautiful content. Need a new belt. Good? You like it? Yeah, it's perfect. It's not raspy, it's smooth. That sounds pretty good. Once it warms up, let it warm up a little bit. Yeah, I like it. Sound decibels? Again? Right at 100. I like it. Again? Yeah, it's different. I like it. Go ahead. There's the muffler and tailpipe we took off. This is after. What do you guys think? It says work truck. Not bad. I like it. BORLA ATAK. Toyota Tacoma, 4-cylinder. Let me let you hear on the inside. Yeah, there's a leak over here. Your manifold's leaking. Toyota Tacoma with a BORLA. Not bad.